Hello students, today we are going to read the chapter From Tablet to Tablet. The need to record and organize information in written form is very old in humans. What is very old in humans? To record and organize information in written form is very old. Read this text to find out how written information has evolved, means come into existence over thousands of years. Let us read the chapter. One fine morning, a government accountant was hard at work. How was the morning? The morning was fine. So one fine morning, a government accountant, the accountant is one who keeps the record of accounts. He was determined, government accountant was determined to do work, was working hard. A farmer had to be paid. He had to make some payment to the farmer. The accountant took up his curved reed. What the accountant did? The accountant took up his curved reed. The reed, the stem, just like you can see here, curved reed. A curved reed stem made V-shaped marks on a 9 cm piece of moist clay, moist wet clay, freshly bind clay. You can see 9 cm piece of moist clay. Okay, the accountant used it to keep, and this is known to be a tablet, accountant's tablet, which is used to keep the record. V-shaped marks you can see here on this 9 cm of clay tablet. He made a stick figure. The accountant made a stick figure with a ration ball for the man. What the accountant made, what he made a stick figure you can see the stick figure here holding a ration ball in his hand. So what the man did, he made a stick figure with a ration ball for the man. Then he made crescents curved shaped with pointed end, just like you can see here, like the moon in its first or the last quarter. 15 days होते हैं when moon changes its position day after another to become full moon. So in order to count the days, the man then took the help of the shapes of moons and a rising sun between hills to record the time of the day. How to keep the time of the day? The time of the day was to be kept seeing by watching a rising sun between hills to record. Just like you can see here, the sun is rising between the hills, and you can see the shapes of moon also here, and moon in its last course after 15 days becomes full moon. Then he made crescents for the days. What he made? Crescents for the days, to count the days 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 15 or so on. And a rising sun, he used to see the rising sun between the hills to make the record of the time of the day. Finally, as the men were paid in barley. How were the men paid? The men were to be paid in barley. Earlier, in olden time, there was barter system in which payment is not to be done by giving money but by giving grains in accordance to the thing that was in demand. He made upright jars, right jars. He made the jars for the payment so that they could measure the grains. He then baked the piece in a clean fire. Clean means a large oven or baking clay, a large oven for baking clay objects. He made upright jars for the payment. He then baked the piece in a clean fire to save it as an office memo, to save the record of office. He then baked that piece of clay or tablet in the fire to keep the record for the long time. 6,000 years later, his handiwork, the handiwork, here it refers to the clay tablet, was found at an excavation site. Where was that clay tablet found? While digging the place where that tablet was found. This fragment means piece. This fragment, the clay tablet. This fragment, this piece of clay tablet is one of the oldest means of written communication in the world. What is the oldest means of written communication or act of sharing information in the world? This clay tablet is supposed to be or is considered to be oldest means of written communication in the world. That little clay tablet was as necessary then as a tablet, computer, iPad or laptop. That clay tablet on which account was recorded. That little clay tablet was as much important, as much essential, as much necessary as a tablet, computer, iPad or laptop is now, or a laptop is now. Writing has come full circle from tablet to tablet. How? Now we should know, we must know how the writing came from tablet to tablet. We can see the progress of writing from olden tablet, clay tablet, to the tablet which is now used, that is electronic tablet. Now what we can come to know, that the writing has progressed over thousands of years from clay tablet to electronic ones. Now we have databases in the computer and application that organize and record the data. Now where can we put written information, written database information in our computers? Now we can find Databases, that is organized sets of data stored in computers. Where can we get sets of data? We can get it stored in computers. Now we can have databases in the computers and applications that organize and record the data. They have replaced the ancient accountant system. Now we can see that ancient accountant system has been replaced by computers. It has been an exciting journey of human inquiry and invention. What has been exciting journey? It has been an exciting journey of human inquiry, that means investigation or study, and invention of things like computer, tablets, etc. Without written communication, the human world could not have existed. We cannot think about this world without the existence of written communication. We cannot think about this world, this human world, aptly, rightly. It is right, it is correct. The word tablet comes from the ancient Hebrew word tebel. Where does this word tablet come from? It has come from the ancient Hebrew word tebel, or the world. Linguists also think it came from the Latin tabula, meaning board or flat table. Linguists, the people who study languages. Linguists also think, वो ऐसा सोचते हैं, it came from the Latin tabula, meaning the word tabel or tablet come from the Latin tabula, meaning board or flat table. It was in 1984 that we got the term tablet computers for the exciting new cool tool of human communication. It was in 1984. In which year? In 1984 that we got the term tablet. When did we get the term tablet? We get this term tablet in the year 1984. Tablet computers for the exciting new cool tool. It is also known as cool tool of human communication. Since then, tablets have become man's best digital friend. Best digital friend here means it has become very useful tool to communicate and carry out work. That's why they are called best digital friend of human beings. Now touch screens have transformed the way we put our thoughts down on devices. The way we put our thoughts, our ideas on devices, credit goes to whom? The credit goes to our touch screens, which has changed our way totally, to transform our thought down on different devices. Kids born a few days ago. Now the kids who are born a few years ago, they hardly know about the keypad phones. We have seen that in earlier times when these smartphones came into existence, there were keypad phones. But now The children no more know about them since they have never seen such type of keypad mobile phone. What they have seen? They have seen the smartphone or touch screen. Technology continues to evolve at an unimaginable pace. Technology continues to change at a very high speed. We now take it for granted that gadgets will become smaller and more powerful, and screen will become lighter, thinner, and even flexible. Imagine a screen the size of the newspaper that you unroll and read. You have to unroll them and in order to read, as it constantly gets updated with the latest news. Most of the communication gadgets we know are usually carried just as we carry books. How exciting it will be to wear them. It will be more exciting the moment we wear them. Think of smartwatches. Imagine about the smartwatches, smart glasses, and even smart jackets. Imagine reading and writing an email while looking straight ahead and talking to your glasses. It will be very much exciting. We can see smart watches and glasses, smart jackets here in the picture. We can go a little further. Scientists are busy exploring deep inside the brain. If we move a little ahead, moreover, scientists are busy in exploring deep inside the brain. Scientists are busy or occupied to know about deep inside our mind. Through brain scans, they have already identified different patterns associated with different activities, emotions, and objects. By scanning brains, they have already acknowledged different patterns associated with different activities, emotions, and objects. So, maybe not too much into future. The day is not too far away. We are moving toward the near future. The day will not be far away when we will be able to communicate just by reading minds. We are able to communicate just by reading minds. The day will not be far away, or it will not be long time when we will be able to communicate just by reading minds. Sounds a bit too far-fetched. It looks too difficult or not easy task. Just like sci-fi fantasy means science fantasy. But a lot of it is already here. But lots of invention are still in front of here, are there in the market. Futuristic gadgets, future gadgets like Google Glasses that allow you to send messages by speaking, or handheld device that can translate up to 40 languages. such kind of handheld devices are now available, are now there in the market. So you never know what the future will be. So you don't know what your future would bring for you. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. That's all in this lesson. Thank you.